Okay, the next vegetable is the mighty mushroom. You can just dust these off. I just like to wash them because that's what I like to do. But we're going to wash them, clip off the end, and slice them like so. I'm using a baby bella mushroom. You could easily use shiitake. Shiitakes are probably the best mushrooms to use because they have so much flavor. Another one. Probably for the amount that we're going to cook, 3 or 4 mushrooms is good. Unless you really love mushrooms, then you can keep adding them. So we're going to do 3 or 4 mushrooms, just like so, and put them aside in our ramekins.